In a world where cybersecurity breaches seem to be almost inevitable, a recent incident in the federal judiciary's electronic case management system has grabbed attention, and for good reason. This breach has potentially exposed highly sensitive court information across various states, including the identities of confidential informants involved in criminal investigations. And this is the part most people miss. Even systems operated by the U.S. government, often assumed to be secure, are vulnerable, while investigators are still piecing together exactly what happened, and no suspects have yet been publicly named. The incident vividly illustrates a harsh reality. In the fight against cyber threats, being hacked isn't a question of if, but when. This ongoing story underscores the importance of robust security measures and constant vigilance in our digital age. Turning now to the rapidly evolving arena of artificial intelligence. Less than 3 years after OpenAI introduced ChatGPT and ignited a generative AI craze, the company finds itself in a race to stay ahead amid new competitors developing increasingly advanced large language models. But here's where it gets controversial. Can even the most powerful AI models truly claim superiority? OpenAI's latest breakthrough, GPT-5, aims to make that case. Announced last Thursday, GPT-5 is billed as its most capable and swiftest AI yet, promising answers that are notably more precise than its predecessors and exhibiting greater intelligence across various domains. The company's detailed research highlights impressive performance gains in fields like mathematics, programming, and healthcare, where GPT-5 outperforms previous models across over 40 professional sectors, from law to logistics, sales, and engineering. The update is also designed to be a single unified system, eliminating the need to switch between multiple specialized models, simplifying the user experience. Moreover, OpenAI is offering GPT-5 free of charge to all ChatGPT users and via an API that developers and organizations can incorporate into their own platforms. They've also introduced customizable features, such as choosing from 4 preset AI personalities: cynic, robot, listener, and nerd, allowing users to tailor how the AI responds. But the core question remains, will these innovations be enough? Despite ChatGPT's impressive weekly user count of around 700 million, OpenAI faces increasing competition from rivals advancing cutting-edge techniques like long-context reasoning and autonomous tool use. As CEO Sam Altman bluntly put it, maintaining leadership requires relentless scaling, an eye-watering level of computational power. So, the AI arms race continues. And now, shifting gears to a political controversy that's making waves. President Donald Trump has called for the immediate resignation of Intel CEO Lip-Bu Tan, accusing him of being highly conflicted. This move follows a request earlier in the week from Senator Tom Cotton, who questioned Tan's business ties to China. Trump's outspoken demand underscores ongoing concerns about national security, especially given Tan's recent investments. Tan became Intel CEO in March 2025, a move initially welcomed by investors, with stock surging by about 15%. However, by late July, he had announced significant layoffs and cost reductions, and the stock had dipped below its springtime peak. The controversy stems from a Reuters investigation revealing Tan's direct or venture-funded investments totaling over $200 million in Chinese semiconductor and manufacturing firms, some with alleged military connections to the Chinese government. This revelation has become particularly sensitive amid fears about the security risks associated with foreign investments in critical U.S. infrastructure and technology. Senator Cotton's open letter to Intel questions whether Tan's business dealings compromise the company's trustworthiness in potentially receiving nearly $8 billion in federal subsidies designed to bolster American chip manufacturing. Funds aimed at safeguarding national security in the face of global competition. Meanwhile, HPE's planned $14 billion acquisition of Juniper Networks has hit a potential stumbling block. Despite winning a reversal from the U.S. Department of Justice, which previously opposed the merger, new complications are emerging. Thanks to a flurry of online speculation, including an objection letter from Senator Elizabeth Warren, The merger might now face a judicial review, known as a Tunney Review, which assesses whether a deal aligns with the public interest. If the judge rules against the merger, it could mean a significant setback for Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, especially considering the activist investment firm Elliott Management's push for change and leadership shifts. Unsurprisingly, Hewlett-Packard's stock has reacted negatively, declining over 5% year-to-date amid these uncertainties. Other notable stories in the tech world today include Google TV experiencing billions in losses, Pinterest shares dropping despite solid revenue, Meta recruiting AI talent for its next-generation Llama model, Instacart's biggest quarter in 3 years, Brex obtaining an EU license to expand its offerings, and the eagerly anticipated GTA 6, possibly costing gamers upwards of $80 when it launches in 2026. Additionally, Ripple's expansion continues as it acquires Rail, a Canadian stablecoin payments platform, highlighting ongoing interest in crypto and blockchain innovation. For more insights into how these stories shape the tech landscape, stay tuned. And remember, these crossroads of innovation and controversy are where the future is really being written.